I-4 Wood is not just for wood. It effortlessly removes adhesives, resins, paint, and other stubborn materials. It prepares any type of surface for installation or for the application of coverings. Planetary 140 AS is a versatile and multi-purpose machine. It is equipped with BT round tools featuring 4 extremely aggressive cylindrical sectors, specifically developed for the removal of resins, adhesives, and paints. The tool is configured with a 10 mm sector and a 2 mm foam layer. The result is a surface that is ready, clean, and uniform. The machine is well balanced and easy to handle during operation. It is effective right up to the edges of the surface. From parquet floors to cement screeds, one single machine is able to perform all jobs. I-4 Wood is the true choice of professionals.